Hello everyone, I'm Jen, your Delaware Realtor. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm a local Delaware real estate agent that basically covers the entire state because we are so small. So whether you're looking to buy or sell in Delaware, I would absolutely love the opportunity to help you. My information is down below in the description, so please feel free to send me an email. So today we are diving in with what's been going on with mortgage rates and how they could affect your home buying decisions. In the past few weeks, mortgage rates have seen noticeable increases, climbing over the 7% mark. Now, this is significant because this is the highest that we have seen rates so far this year, making borrowing more expensive for home buyers. We are currently sitting at a 7.17% according to Freddie Mac, and that is up from 6.88% just 2 weeks ago. And there is no indication that we are going to see a rate decrease anytime soon. A lot of different factors have been contributing to these rising rates. The Federal Reserve has been tweaking its policies to manage inflation. During the Fed meeting, Jerome Powell changed his message from "we would possibly see rate cuts this year" to now his message is "we will not see rate cuts until inflation comes down to the targeted 2% mark." Now, if you have been watching my videos, you know that I have said multiple times that I did not see rate cuts happening anytime soon, especially with inflation and the job reports coming in hotter than expected. Just this past week, the Fed's preferred gauge of underlying inflation, the Core Personal Consumption Expenditures Price Index, or Core PCE, rose and remains stubbornly high. Although there are still some experts that are holding out hope that we will see rate cuts in September, that hope is starting to dwindle. And I am still very much predicting that we will not see rate cuts this year because Jerome Powell has changed his message to higher for longer, which means that we are going to see this higher Fed rate for longer than we expected. We know that the Fed rate indirectly affects mortgage rates. But when we take a look back, the picture doesn't seem so bad when we look at the long-term rates. In late October, the 30-year fixed rate was up 69 basis points from where it is now and well over 7%. So while rates may not be falling right now, it is still cheaper to purchase a home now than it was 6 months ago. It is predicted that the Fed rate will not change at the May 1st meeting. So if you've been holding out hope that mortgage interest rates would come down, it most likely will not happen anytime soon. My advice would be, if you are shopping for a home or you are currently under contract on a home, would be to lock in your rate before that May 1st meeting. Because as we have seen in the past, mortgage interest rates do most of their moving right after the Fed meeting. Before we wrap up, let's address a common misconception that I keep seeing about mortgage interest rates. I'm seeing sensational headlines in the media of mortgage rates hitting 7.66%, and this can be quite misleading. It is important to realize that the media is putting out these headlines for attention and clicks. And it is important to look at reliable sources like we just discussed, Freddie Mac. Freddie Mac has us sitting at a 7.17%. So it's always a good idea to double check your sources and honestly just reaching out to a lender directly to get the most up-to-date information. And finally, I just want to clarify something that's very important. I am not a mortgage lender. A lot of times when I post these mortgage rate updates, I have lenders that reach out to me and tell me that they can do better than the rate that I've quoted on the videos. And it's important to know that, yes, I'm not a mortgage lender, and you should be reaching out to a mortgage lender to talk about your unique financial situation, because the interest rate that you are offered all depends on your personal situation, whether it be your financial situation, your credit situation, or any unique factors that you have going on. So yes, I do give you an interest rate in these videos that is from Freddie Mac, and it is an average of the national interest rate. It's always a good idea to consult a personal financial advisor or a mortgage lender. And if you do not have a mortgage lender, I can connect you with one of my trusted mortgage lenders that I use all the time. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that this video helped. If it did, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. If you are a seller that is looking to sell your property in Delaware, I would absolutely love the opportunity to help you. There is a link down below in the description to schedule a seller consultation with me, and also there is a link for a buyer's consultation with me as well, or you can send me an email. Once again, I really hope that this video helped. If it did, be sure to give me a thumbs up, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on the next one. Hey, if you're thinking about moving to Delaware, you should definitely check out this video right here. And if you would love to tour Delaware communities with me, check out this playlist right here. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel.